If you find yourself in an extreme or somewhat dangerous situation, you should have a survival kit. And the survival knife is definitely one of the most useful and easy to operate self-defense weapons. Survival knives have many uses, because they can help you in a myriad of both standard and life-threatening situations. That is exactly why you shouldn't go out into the wilderness without one. Plus, a survival knife is used for fire building, shelter building, chopping, batoning, prying, hammering, spearing dinner, and dozens of other tasks. The best survival knife will be a strong, full tang, fixed blade knife. You can use it to defend yourself from both the animals and the other people. A good survival blade can help you clear a path and get through the dense forest safely and without issues. You can use it to dig holes for waste disposal, for the fire, or even for making a distress signal. Therefore, let's take a look at the 5 best survival knives in 2022.
Hello there, we are the Top Up Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
The Morakniv Garberg is designed as a hard-to-use field survival knife. This knife fits super solid in the hand, even those with larger hands. This best Mora knife is a full-tang carbon steel knife that is designed to handle the most heavy-duty of tasks. The sheath of this best Mora knife comes equipped with a diamond sharpener and a fire starter, which essentially provides you a mini survival kit all in one package to ensure you can keep the blade sharp and get a fire going wherever and whenever you need. Therefore, this knife is effective diamond sharpeners plus a ferro fire starter rod attached to its seats along with a length of paracord. Its spine is at sharp 90-degree angles, so the back of the blades can be used to scrape sparks from the ferro rod or scrape tinder shavings off a piece of wood for a ferro rod sparks to ignite. This knife has a 4.3-inch, that means 109mm blade, and its blade is 3.2mm thick. The blade is made of high-quality carbon steel, and this blade has Morakniv's special Scandi grind, which means that it is designed to be super easy to keep sharp. Also, its overall length is 9 inches, that means 229mm. Additionally, this knife is covered with DLC coating, which is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also corrosion and scratch resistant. If you're looking for something to drag through the roughest places and back, the Morakniv Garberg can handle it all. Overall, the Morakniv Garberg is a great quality knife designed to deliver you with years of reliable service. The ESEE 6B is not only a knife but also a functional, affordable way to survive. Because the designers over at ESEE know how to make a knife that is as ergonomic as it is practical, which has allowed their products to become some of the most famous multi-purpose survival knives used for everyday carry. The ESEE 6B is really no-frills knife, providing everything you need with a very little extra. This fixed blade knife is 6.5 inches in length, which delivers it a good balance between being a heavy-duty knife whilst also being a very accurate cutting knife. It is both powerful and precise, and more than able to get the job done in a variety of survival and tactical situations. Therefore, its blade is 6.5 inches long, with an effective cutting edge of 5.75 inches, and the overall length is 11.75 inches. This knife is made from 1095 high carbon steel, meaning it is another superb option as a wilderness survival knife. 1095 steel is always a plus because of how easy it is to sharpen. That means you won't have to put a bunch of extra time into keeping your knife as sharp as it needs to be. Also, it has a full tang construction along with a micarta canvas handle for a comfortable and non-slip grip. The sheath is made of black molded polymer, which is quite durable. Moreover, it comes with a removable clip so that you can use it according to your own convenience. Overall, you can use it for surviving in the wild, where chances of living are really less. The Gerber 3221 Bear Grylls folding sheath knife is a good camping, hunting, survival, tactical knife crafted with wonderful innovation. This knife's 3.6-inch drop-top blade has a rubber grip and dual thumb studs, which makes the knife easy and safe to use. Therefore, it has textured rubber grip that is ergonomic in design, and some campers mention how well it sticks to your hand even when wet. The blade is made of high-carbon stainless steel, which is a durable material. This great knife is a single blade that is half serrated, which can make it easier to cut things like a rope. Plus, this folding knife has a close length of 4.9 inch and it has an overall length of 8.5 inch. And without the accompanying nylon sheath, it weighs 4.3 ounce. Additionally, this knife fits ideally into nylon sheath, protecting you from the accident and the blade from rust. All in all, the pros of the knife and its razor-sharp blade and ergonomic handle, which makes it easy on your hand. Finally, the Gerber 3221 Bear Grylls knife is a fantastic choice for a survival knife at a pocket-friendly price, as it has all the qualities of a good survival knife. The company GEO-TEC claims that their knife series is loved by hunters, explorers, hikers and fishermen, survivors, wildlife enthusiasts and campers alike. The GEO-TEC N31 has been designed for hunting, bushcraft and can withstand tough outdoor environments and weather conditions. It does have top quality hardware and the construction is excellent. The blade is lightweight and doesn't require ongoing maintenance like carbon steel blades. Also, its blade has been laser cut out of stainless steel molybdenum vanadium MOVA 58 with a toughness count of HRC 56 to 58, and its handle comes in micarta variants. Moreover, this knife comes with a movable leather sheath for vertical or horizontal carrying. Its blade is 4.52 inches long and the overall length is 9.44 inches. The full-grain leather sheath includes a quality fire starter. This is a snazzy design for a bushcraft knife. One side of the blade features a small serration area. In addition, a loophole in the handle allows you to attach a lanyard if desired. So if you love outdoor adventures and camping or any other activity that brings you closer to nature, then the N31 Bushcraft survival knife will be the best for you. The Bear Grylls Ultimate Pro Knife is another great pick for anyone looking for a best survival knife. This knife was designed by Gerber and TV action man Bear Grylls and is packed with innovative features that few other survival knives have. This knife is made with 9CR9 in MOV high carbon stainless steel and a drop point design with half of the 4.8-inch blade length serrated. Overall length of this knife is 10 inches and the tool weighs 13.7 ounces. Its handle is ergonomic textured rubber, maximizing comfort and helping you keep a firm grip on your knife. Also, TPE overmold construction ensures that the handle can take a beating without showing any wear and provide a lifetime grip for the blade. Plus, the handle adds a lanyard hole and a Gerber packs a lanyard with a mini emergency whistle along with the knife. The sheath features a fire starter, a ferrocium rod that strikes against a notch integrated in the back of the knife blade. Even the nylon sheath adds a diamond sharpener integrated for on-the-go sharpening, and this knife comes with land of air to rescue instructions along with the bear's priorities of survival. However, you're not just getting a knife, you're getting a survival package with a Gerber sharpener, whistle, waterproof pocket survival guide integrated into the sheath, and high-quality fire steel rod. As well as quality, this knife will last a lifetime, so the decision is yours.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.